In this lecture, you are going to learn a few more things about list indexing. So we have a list underscore list, and inside this list we have some elements. I'm going to insert them randomly. Now we can print our list. And let's do some indexing. So we want the element from position 0. We are going to write inside brackets 0. So we have 2 because it's on position 0. If we are going to write -1, it's going to give you the last element. If you are going to write -2, it's going to give you this element. If you write, let's say, 2 colon, as you can see that is going to give you the list without the first 2 elements. If you write -2, it's going to give the last 2 elements. So -2 colon, it gives you the last 2 elements. You can also write colon 2. This will give you the first 2 elements, and colon -2 is going to give you the list without the last 2 elements. Now let's say that we want to take this element, this one, so we are going to skip one element each time. For that we want to have all of the elements, so we are going to write colon and the second colon. So here we could have written from 0 to the end of the list, but it's not necessary. This will be interpreted as if we want to take all of the elements, and here we want to specify the incrementation step, which is 2. So as you can see, we get this one, this one, this one. If you are going to write 3, it's going to change it. Let's say that we want to take only this one, and this one. So we are going to start on position 0. We can write it or not. So this is on 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we have to write 5. So it's going to take those elements and it's going to print only this one, and this one, because we have an incrementation step of 2. If we delete this, it's going to give us all of the elements. You can also get them in a reversed order. So let's say from 5 to 0, and the incrementation step will be -1. As you can see that those elements are in a reversed order. And also 5 it's inclusive, which is this element, and 0 it's exclusive, so we are not getting 2.